I couldn't get Andover Siren to activate because of the blizzard. See if ours activates.
This is a pager test of the Dade County Ambulance and Fire Department Emergency Services. Repeat, this is a pager test of the Dade County Emergency Services. One announcement, this being the first Monday of the month, we'll test your fire siren. Repeat, fire siren test to follow. Roll call tonight. Stand by for roll call to follow. Break. Begin the roll call for the Dade County pager test. Christensen Ambulance.
5-2 Nothing works tonight.
5-2 Christensen Ambulance, read you loud and clear.
Bristol Fire.
5-2 Bristol Fire, roger the pager check.
Thank you, Bristol Fire. Roslyn Fire.
Roslyn Fire, acknowledging page.
Thank you, Roslyn Fire. Wabi Fire.
5-2 Wabi Fire, pager test acknowledged.
Thank you, Wabi Fire. Webster Fire.
5-2 Webster Fire, pager test acknowledged. Also reminder meeting at 7 o'clock.
Thank you, Webster Fire, and a reminder of the meeting at 7 o'clock. Stand by for siren test to follow.
Sorry guys, I won't be able to film. It's a blizzard outside. See if you can hear it. Here's ours. Yep.
Bristol Fire, did your siren activate?
5-2, that's a negative, no siren.
Bristol's never activated, but ours did.
Stand by, we'll try it again. Roslyn Fire, did your siren activate?
Roslyn Fire, activated siren.
Roslyn did, but Andover's didn't, and ours did.
Thank you, Roslyn Fire. Wabi Fire, did your siren activate?
5-2 Wabi Fire, siren did activate.
Thank you, Wabi Fire. Webster Fire, did your siren activate?
5-2 Webster Fire, siren did activate.
Thank you, Webster Fire. Bristol Fire, stand by, we'll try again. Bristol Fire, did your siren activate that time?
Bristol Fire siren didn't activate it again. Too cold out.
Bristol Fire, did it go that time?
Negative 5-2, no siren.
Must have ceased.
Thank you, Bristol Fire. I'll let 221 know. Please pager test at 1803. Thanks for checking in. Have a good evening, everyone.
Well, it's first of all, it's a blizzard outside. The wind's blowing from the northwest, probably about 50 miles per hour right now. It's cold, it rained, and it freezing rain, so I'm sure them the T-121s are all locked up. Now ours is a T-128 and they got warmers on them, and them other T-121s do not have warmers on them, so I'm sure they're seized up.